Recording. 2 channels started.
I don't know, do I ever drive fast? Sammy and Otto, they live near the car dealership, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I was just thinking sure, because I'm pretty sure I knew where they lived. But...
Yeah, but when you go, so you go up 100, then you gotta go to the right. You do that little turnaround.
Uh-huh.
Keep going around. Yeah.
Blues Brothers.
You make a right to kind of make a left. It's like it's like a reverse. The other one, right after the Target, there's a turnaround and make the left and come back on.
Yeah.
This is a weird one. You go up and it comes to the right. It's a weird.
Alright. By the way, this whole conversation was on video, so I'll see you later.
Mom's the best person ever.
Say hi. Alright, bye. And left me alone to ride. She complicated.